In this video, you will learn how to analyze your data in detail. The Data Visualization page provides advanced data display. This allows you to search for a specific variable by column name in your dataset and filter the dataset by data type: integer, real number, text, and class. For each selected variable, we display variable name and type, integer, real, text, or class, statistics of the variable, which depend on the variable type, for example, minimum, maximum, mean, and standard deviation for integer and double. For double and integer type, this graph takes variable values in abscissa and corresponding value occurrences in ordinate. If the variable is of type class, for example, in the case of categorical data, then a circular diagram will show the breakdown of occurrences for each value, 0 or 1, of each class. There is no graph for string type.